Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal for weight gain. To begin, choose rolled oats or steel-cut oats for their nutritional benefits. Next, use whole milk or a high-calorie plant-based milk, like full-fat coconut milk, as your liquid base. When cooking, aim for a 1:2 ratio of oats to liquid for a creamy consistency. This foundational step is crucial for building a calorie-dense meal. Now, let's supercharge your oatmeal with calorie-dense additions. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your favorite nut butter, like peanut or almond, for healthy fats and protein. Next, mix in 1/4 cup of chopped nuts, such as walnuts or pecans, to add crunch and more calories. Finally, incorporate 1/3 cup of dried fruits, like raisins or cranberries, for natural sweetness and concentrated energy. These additions significantly increase the caloric value. Beyond just calories, we want to enhance both flavor and nutrition. Consider stirring in 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder to support muscle growth and satiety. For a touch of sweetness and extra calories, drizzle 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup over your cooked oats. Don't forget to include 1 tablespoon of chia or flax seeds. They provide healthy omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. These steps make your oatmeal both delicious and highly nutritious. To truly maximize weight gain, optimize your oatmeal intake. Aim to consume larger portions of this calorie-dense meal consistently throughout your day. It's excellent as a hearty breakfast, a post-workout recovery meal, or even a substantial snack between meals. Remember, consistency is key for seeing results. Also, for those looking to improve their financial health, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Make oatmeal a regular part of your routine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.